Amplitronic. Listen to the difference.
Welcome to the installation instructions for updating your Amplitronic C-Series hearing loop driver. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth and successful update. You can check the current firmware version of your driver by navigating to Driver Status and then the About screen. On network-enabled drivers, this is also shown on the Status tab of the web page. Stay up to date with the latest firmware updates by visiting www.amplitronic.com/firmware-updates. If a more recent version is available, click through to download the zip file. Before proceeding, review the release notes. You can update directly from any previous version, but should check the changelog for all versions in between to identify any features that may affect your installation. Insert a FAT32 formatted USB drive into your computer. Extract the contents of the zip file and locate the files alp.bin and cwebsite.bin. Paste alp.bin and cwebsite.bin into the root directory of the USB drive. Remember, do not place them inside any folder. With your C-Series unit switched on, insert the USB drive into the USB Update Only socket located on the rear panel. On the front panel, press and hold the Back/Standby button until the Standby menu appears. Scroll through the Standby menu options and select Restart. The hearing loop driver will restart automatically. Do not turn off the power. The front LED will flash amber during the update process, and then the unit will start as normal. This should only take a few seconds. Please note that all previous user settings will be maintained and applied. Once the unit has started, remove the USB stick from the USB Update Only socket. You can then confirm the driver status screen shows the latest version. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your Amplitronic C-Series hearing loop driver. Enjoy the enhanced features and performance of the latest version.
Amplitronic. Listen to the difference.